Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. Today I'm gonna make coconut chutney. So to make the coconut chutney we need roughly chopped coconuts, few chilies, coriander and tamarind and salt. So for the chutney I'm going to fry the mirchi and the tamarind a little so it becomes a little roasted, and then I'm going to put this into the mixie jar. Actually we added a spoon of oil because the ride wasn't working and the oil was splattering. Now to the mixie jar I'm adding coconut. And the coriander. To the jar I'm going to add in the tamarind and the green chilies which we dry roasted. And about so much I'm going to add in rock salt. Now this mixture, I'm going to grind this and make it to a fine paste for the chutney. Now to this cute tadka pan, I'm going to add in oil, about 3 tablespoons, and wait it to get heated. Now the pan is heated. To this I'm going to add in some mustard seeds, some jeera, some urad dal, some chana dal, and curry leaves. Now the tadka is done, so this I'm going to add into my chutney. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Tell me! India wants to know, why are you laughing at my vlog?
See, laughing is a good exercise. You can keep laughing always.
So, that means you can laugh at my vlog?
You are exercising your cheeks, nose, body, breathing in, breathe out. And that is a laughter exercise is the best exercise in the world.